Hello everyone, this is Shayla at Samira's Jewelry. I am a bridal hair makeup artist based in Naples, Florida. I am a part of Salon-Centric's It Takes a Pro team. I'm here to show you all how to set a beautiful curl for a glam waves and how to make them stay all day long. So my most favorite thing to do, even for the glam waves, is to prep the hair correctly. What I do for that is I take a section and I spray with the heat protection a little bit. And using my texture iron, I go to the roots especially and lightly press the hair down like this. That way I'm getting rid of all those little natural waves of the hair, but I'm also kind of straightening the hair and adding texture to the hair. A lot of it's gonna add this spongy kind of texture to the hair like this. Look at the difference of this one and here. You see that very soft, straight and voluminous hair versus this one has like wavy texture to it. You have to have like a good grip to this. And then you lightly press. If you press it too hard, you're gonna be able to see all those crimp in the hair. Just like this is the texture we're looking for. For the glam waves, most of the time we do side part to give that like a nice swoop to the front, and you curl everything to the same direction. I'm gonna just show you how to curl that section. This is my favorite product from Matrix. It's a freezing vacuum spray. It doesn't make the hair wet, so you take a section, okay? The section cannot be like a skinny section when you do for glam waves. It has to be, think about like a quarter, a little bit bigger size of the quarter. I'm taking like almost like a square section here. And I'm gonna spray that with a strong hold spray. And I'm gonna brush that section. If you put the curling iron right away, as soon as you put the hairspray in it, all the product will go to your curling iron and it's not gonna do anything to the hair. So this is the time you kind of relaxing the hair. I'm using a 1-inch curling iron by GHD and I'm gonna curl it and lightly, I'm just flipping the hair away with a good tension, okay? The key for this one is to keep all the hair like together like this. If I open like this and curl it, there's gonna be a bit difference on the curl. The key is to keep them all together, okay? Then I'll let it out and we need to cool this. To cool it, we're just gonna simply put a clip underneath here and set it like that. Another very important tip is when you curl the hair, they need to align in the same level, okay? If you started curling this one from here, you cannot start this one from here. That way they're not gonna align it. So you have to make sure you're staying in the same horizontal line when you do the curls. There you go, 1, 2, and I'm just flipping it. I'm not twisting the hair. Just like this. Give a little bit of tension, hold it together, let it out. And we're gonna put a clip again, just like that. All right, we're just gonna wait a little bit. Another favorite product to use for these is the Sexy Hairs Powder Play Light to add a lot of volume and that grip texture to the curls. While this is drying, spray with that, the curls. Give it a little bit of shake. Okay, now we'll take this one down. This is my favorite comb. I've been using it for everything. They come in a pack at Salon-Centric. They have like 12 pieces. What I'm gonna do, take my powder play light again and spray the roots of that curl. And I'm gonna really nicely back comb here. So when you back comb, you have to make sure like you really press the hair into the scalp. Okay, so I'm gonna go 1 here, 2 here, and then 3, like really lock that in place. Like this, okay? And what we're gonna do now, gently open that curl, like I'm gonna pull it down like this, and you will see the wave pattern on it. So you take your comb gently, you're not combing it all the way down like this. You can also spray with powder here to give more texture. Okay, you gently spread it. Then you take your comb again and you back comb where this curved part is by holding a nice texture to it, okay? If you don't give like a nice tension, then it's gonna get frizzy, the hair. Okay, this one here, and then I have another one right here. But still, we have to make sure everything's staying nice and smooth. Then you're gonna go ahead and spread it like this, okay? And you take your strong hold spray again, you only spray the bottom of it. And if anything looking a little frizzy, you don't worry. So I built every section like this, and at the very top one, I take my pig comb, or you can take your teasing comb, the back of it. You're just gonna start like smoothing everything together, and everything is gonna become nice and smooth at the end. Again, I'm gonna repeat, the key to create long-lasting glam waves is to curl them to the same direction, curl them close to each other without any space, using a powder, volumizing powder, and backcombing it. Just like this, give it a little bit of shake. Comb it one time lightly, just so that you see where the hair pattern is going. Okay, you see how the curve is there in the same spot? This is very important. If you're gonna end up curling this one from here or from higher, they're not gonna align together. Just like this, you will spray it open. I'll give a little bit of tension and lightly back comb the back of it. I'm just gonna lightly go with my pick comb like this and put everything together. We can spread it more and like this. Like that. We have to spray the other one from the bottom for that hold. Once everything is smooth, we're gonna use a finishing spray at the top, and that's how you're gonna create long-lasting glam waves.